Hi, my name is Ricky, and I'm going to show you how to create a year-to-date comparison with the same period last year. And I'm going to do this in summer 18. So I've opened up my data set. I'm in here in my Explorer, and the first thing that I want to do is I want to change from my chart over to a compare table. Once I have my compare table, I will now want to change my count of rows to be sum of a amount. And I want to add another stream as well, which is also going to be a sum of amount. Each one of these is going to be either year to date or year to date last year. So I want to now add a filter. So for the first one here, I'm going to choose close date. I'm going to choose relative to now. I'm going to go to days. I'm going to go 7 days ago until today. This is obviously not the right filter we want to apply, but I just want to have the format there, and then I'll show you how we modify that later. So now I'm going to click add, and then the next thing that I want to do is I want to go into my next sum of amount, and I want to apply another filter. I'm going to choose relative to now, and this time I'm just going to keep the years. I'm going to drag it 1 year ago till today, or this year. I want to apply this now. And just before I make my modification to the filters, I want to go in so it's not sum of amount, but it actually is called year to date. So we do this by editing this column, and we're going to call this year to date. And we're going to go down and apply this. We're moving over to the B column now, and we're going to call this a year to date LY and year to date last year. Once that's done, we're going to click apply again, and we're now ready to close down this editor. And now what we want to do is we want to switch over to cycle mode so we can make our final filter changes. So once we're in here, what we're interested in is the QA and the QB, which symbolizes each of our streams. So the first one, the QA, is going to be our year to date. So instead of saying 7 days ago, we're going to say current year, and we're going to leave the current day as it is. Then the next one is we're going to say from 1 year ago to current a day minus 1 year. Okay, and then we're going to run this. So now you can see that my formula down here, or my table down here, updated, and I'm now ready to switch over to my chart mode. And maybe I want to change this into a column. I also want to change the formatting so I have it in the same with dual axis. And here you go. This is how you create a year-to-date comparison between this year and last year.